Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to verify your Bybit account. So let's jump to the process. First, open your Bybit application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Here you will be taken to home page. Now tap on your profile at the top left corner. Then tap on the settings icon present at the top right corner. Now here, tap on Identity Verification option. Now here, tap on Location option, then select your country or region. Then tap on the box stating I have confirmed on my selection as true and correct. Then tap on Confirm. After this, tap on Verify option next to Proof of Identity. Now here you need to select a document type. You can select from your passport, driver's license, your ID, or your permit. I am going on with ID card. After this, tap on Confirm option. With this, allow your Bybit application to take photos or videos. Now here, while you are clicking your documents, make sure your document is clear. So after this, tap on Continue. Now here you need to click the document's picture. For this, you need to tap on the small circle present at the bottom. You need to first take a front part of the document, then click the back part of the document. With this, you can upload a clear photo of your ID. After that, you need to take a selfie as instructed. You need to follow the face scan process. With this, you need to submit your ID documents. After your verification documents are sent, you need to wait for approval. Verification usually takes a few minutes to an hour. You'll get a confirmation through mail or app notification once it's done. With this, you'll be able to verify your Bybit account. This is how we can verify our Bybit account. Thank you for watching everyone. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.